Today we're doing a challenge that I got from one of my friends. We're going to be doing nothing. I don't get how people play like this. And if I can win this, that will just be amazing. Like, who plays like this? Hold on, okay. I'm playing it upside down. There. I know, so like, you're cheating. It's not cheating. Yeah, I'm playing with the lefty mode. See how I can do. It's gonna be a little bit bad. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the lobby and play around. Hold on. Okay, I gotta stay here. I'm doing. Oh wait, that's about doing a challenge. My subscribers. Okay, I was about challenge. I have to play on lefty mode. Oh, yeah, this is hard. Go easy on me. Oh, this is easy. Man, I can get closer. I can get it. Yeah, this is going to be hard, though. What the wait? This is hard. Actually, I do run faster, though. Actually, it's kind of cool, I guess. Actually, this is I'm kind of used to it because I throw lefty. Well, I'm just, what is it? I forget. You can do both things. You can do both. You can throw lefty, you can throw righty. I'm one of those people. Oh my goodness, it's going to be terrible. Watch me fail. It'll be crazy if I get in the chest. Wow. Maybe if I sit here and I just... No. TV just said, will you marry me? No thanks. My mom told me not to get married. I'm just kidding. Or she did one time. She said, don't get married. It's a pain in the butt. Man, this is so terrible. Guys, if I can make this challenge, y'all, I don't even want to make the bet because I know I'm going to die. 7 players remaining. Wow. So now what do I do? Just wait for somebody to kill me? Yeah, I'm so bored. This is what I have to do? I feel bad for people who are forced to play this way. For their parents or something. I feel bad for them. A couple of minutes. Gotta get back up on that mountain. Or whatever it is, whatchamacallit. Whatever you want to call it. full golden armor. He's getting a little pretty up. Yeah, this is crazy. He's having an advantage. They come up here and knock him off. Just to make sure that they don't. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Man, this is so hard. They're gonna kick my butt when it's deathmatch. Come on, I'm just gonna go wander around. But if I get killed, it's on me, guys. I want some action. Never mind. I don't want any action. If they hit me while I'm up here, I swear to God. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not swearing to God. Oh. Should I go, guys? Should I go? This is gonna be one video, whatever. What the heck with that? I'm gonna go. Should I go? No, I'm not gonna go. This is why I'm not gonna go because I don't want to risk my life. I have to complete this challenge for my friend. He is really sick, so I need to complete it. That plus I'm a B-baller, so I need to keep up my popular status. Oh, yay. I need a sword. Yeah. Oh well. Oh, great. 7 players still remaining. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna survive. Not. I'm surprised it's not laggy. Normally I be lagging the freak. Or I mean lagging the freak. I mean lagging the freak. Ooh, I'm not going right there. I don't know. I need to go. I need to go. I need to go. Oh my goodness. Get the rest. Oh, you about to get the rest. I'm just kidding. I'm probably gonna get the rest because I suck at F5 mode. Oh, what am I talking about? F5 mode is like third person. Oh man, I suck at third person. I'm going to third person view. What? Wait, what? Well, that's just my interface. Oh, that's how you. Oh, cool. Yay. Okay. Did I already go right here? You already went right here. Wait, did I? Yeah, I already. Oh. I'm gonna just sit here. Wait. Do I want to jump down here? Yes, I want to jump down here. Yes. Thank you. And riddance. And I can't believe I'm not even lagging one bit. great. This is so great. Man, I love my friend, but man, he gives me the hardest challenges. Here's my bro though. Bros, stick with bros. Nothing else you can ask for. Man, he's super cool though. And that bro's super cool. He's not saying that he got swag. I don't know about that. I don't know. If I make this, it's gonna be awesome. If I make this, it's going to be awesome. Probably not. Yeah, that's what I thought. Well, at least I tried. Yeah, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out, all my boats.